fought a resonant field theory of latent and triggered reality. In recent months, a new theoretical framework has emerged. It is called field-activated resonance theory, or FART. FART proposes that reality is not built from particles, but from resonance patterns in a fundamental field of potential. At its core is a complex scalar field psi, not a material field, but a vibratory substrate of possibility. Mathematically, the dynamics of this field are described by nonlinear Lagrangian. Mathcal equals sine frac 1 to left frac g mathbf x squared partial e moose I circumflex arsal moose I right. Left frac 1 to moose squared mathbf x. Psi squared plus frac 1 for land a vertical bars I vertical barsa complex for right. Here represents the local compliance of the field, its willingness to vibrate modulated by resonant structures in the environment. This allows gravity to be reinterpreted as a gradient of resonance reference, not curvature of spacetime. Mass in this model is not intrinsic. It emerges from not-standing waves, stable, localized solutions to the confu-x-c of field equation. These solitonic structures persist due to coherent phase alignment. What we perceive as particles are simply the most stable resonant modes permitted by the field's nonlinear dynamics. Entropy, too, is reframed, not as disorder, but as deviation from harmonic coherence. We define it as SFART, a measure of spectral dispersion within a field. The greater the disharmony, the higher the entropy. The closer to resonance, the slower the experience of time. Experimental implications include materials exhibiting resonance-dependent transparency, gravitational field modulation through quantum coherence, entropic aging varying with environmental resonance, phase tunneling under matched field conditions. Each of these predictions is theoretically testable and represents a departure from current frameworks. Parallel to the mathematics, the theory has revealed correspondences with symbolic structures in ancient texts, pattern symmetry in Revelation, Ezekiel, and other canonical writings, suggest possible pre-scientific resonance mappings, interpretable through shadowlogic, the analysis of structured absence. This is not speculation. It is a growing synthesis of mathematics, philosophy, physics, and pattern theory, collaborative, developed, and now partially formalized. FART provides a candidate for a unified field theory by embedding gravity, mass, entropy, and even consciousness within a coherent, resonance-driven formalism. We are now seeking collaboration, scrutiny, and challenge. The work is open, documented, and in development. If you are a physicist, mathematician, philosopher, or experimentalist, and this resonates with your own trajectory of thought, you are welcome. Field-activated resonance theory. Not just a theory of everything, but a theory of what holds everything in rhythm.